Namma Bengaluru challenge. I thought it was a really great forum and platform for people across the ecosystem and stakeholders to come together and have real conversations about problems that plague large growing cities like ours, Bangalore.
I don't say if, I say this is already working. This is definitely transferable. We've already proven that this works in Bangalore.
The event like this actually brought the right set of people to the room, and we were able to pitch, and now we have been able to see how we can engage with the stakeholders.
Bengaluru has taken a fresh step to confront its growing climate crisis. 5 startups have been selected under the Namma Bengaluru Challenge 2026, a city-led climate innovation program aimed at testing solutions where the problems are most visible, on the ground. The initiative is led by Unboxing Bengaluru in partnership with Social Alpha and WTF Fund, with support from the Government of Karnataka and the Greater Bengaluru Authority. Each of the winning startups will receive 25 lakh rupees to pilot their technologies across the city over the next 6 months. The challenge positions Bengaluru as a real-world laboratory for climate action. Instead of controlled trials or limited demos, these solutions will be tested in neighborhoods, construction sites, and public infrastructure. Interest in the program was high. Nearly 600 startups from across the country applied, reflecting both the scale of the climate problem and the urgency to solve it. From this pool, 5 were chosen for their potential to deliver measurable impact. The pilots focus on 3 areas where Bengaluru is under the most pressure: construction, water, and waste. These sectors sit at the heart of the city's climate action and resilience plan and are central to its long-term sustainability. The timing is critical. Rapid urban growth has erased most of Bengaluru's lakes and green spaces. Construction has expanded dramatically, pushing up emissions and heat. Water shortages, polluted air, and fragile waste systems are now part of daily life for many residents, especially in low-income communities. The selected startups aim to address these gaps directly. One winner is Carbon Craft Design, which is rethinking how buildings are made. The company produces low-carbon blocks and panels using industrial waste and captured carbon, offering alternatives to traditional bricks and facades that carry a heavy emissions burden. Another is SATIQ Concrete Manufacturer. The startup has developed new cement binders that significantly reduce the carbon footprint of concrete. By working with ready-mix plants and builders, it targets emissions at the core of urban construction. In water and sanitation, Telus Habitat offers a decentralized approach. Its system treats sewage at the source using biofiltration, allowing wastewater to be reused for non-drinking purposes and easing pressure on the city's strained sewer network. Plastic waste is tackled by Go Do Good. The startup has created plant-based coatings and inks that replace plastic layers in food packaging, reducing waste without compromising food safety. Rounding out the list is Sunbird Straws. The company makes compostable straws from fallen coconut leaves. The product is fully biodegradable and the supply chain creates income opportunities for rural women. The challenge is backed by a broad group of industry and climate partners, including Bangalore International Airport Limited and Brigade Group, along with research, policy, and pilot partners working across the city. Organizers say the real barrier in climate innovation is not ideas but adoption. By combining capital, policy support, and real-world testing, the program aims to close that gap. As cities across India struggle with extreme heat, flooding, and water stress, Bengaluru's approach offers a possible template. Test fast, measure impact, scale what works. For a city running out of climate time, the message is simple. Solutions must move quickly from concept to street level.
Bengaluru challenge. I thought it was a really great forum and platform for people across the ecosystem and stakeholders to come together and have real conversations about problems that plague large growing cities like ours, Bangalore, and come up with innovative solutions and support those who are having the passion and having the innovative solutions to the problems that we face. So it was great to see government, business, entrepreneurs, founders, all of them come together, public citizens, the kind of interest that's there for Bangaloreans at heart to support these kind of initiatives has really been fantastic.
So how are you going to support them in case they come up to you? How are you going to support them?
So we're spending time here sort of evaluating the startups. We're also, through our Brigade REAP, we're also evaluating a number of startups for sustainability in the built space. So I think as a responsible developer, we're looking at ways in which we can utilize a lot of these solutions in our projects and ecosystem at large and amplify their purpose and mission.
So events like this plays an important role?
Definitely yes, because this is the ecosystem we need to actually amplify the impact of the product that we have developed. If we have to eliminate plastic straws from the city of Bangalore, it is events like this, like the Namma Bengaluru challenge, which really comes in as a huge support to amplify our mission.
So what are the basic problems for a startup companies they face?
So startup, first obviously is the capital. You might have a good idea, but then unless you have the capital, it's very difficult to bring finesse to the product, enter the market, price your product. So again, events like these are the ones which actually give us the launching pad to really go to the market at large.
We are Satik concrete manufacturer. We are from Chennai. We are looking at deploying low carbon concrete solutions for rapid urbanization. Bangalore is the city which is going to be the global city within another few years, and we're looking to make Bangalore having better performance structures, better infrastructures, and a much climate-friendly city in future.
Things like this, I feel that, so I've lived in Bombay all my life. I am a true Mumbaikar by heart, but being in Bangalore really opens up all the doors. Bangalore is a hub for all these startups and innovation that really happens over here. I've also seen that in the south, people are a lot more receptive to something more sustainable, something more ecological in a certain way as well. It doesn't mean that it has to be price sensitive, but it means value sensitive as well. And that's what we've seen in the south. And Bangalore is the best place to be and to do this.
This city is about startups, and startups are about solving problems, finding solutions as a product, as a service. This city has many problems, and I'm saying cities at large have many problems. Can we bring that startup vibe to solving problems for the city, of the city? That's what it is. We are trying to find solutions for the city's problem. There is problems, and one is not denying that. Let's find solutions. It's more solution-oriented thinking. That's what we are bringing with Namma Bengaluru challenge.
So what are the basic problems for a startup company they usually face?
So while the problem they are solving, all that, but at a generic level, once they develop a product or a solution, where do they pilot? Who do they pilot with? Getting credibility for a first generation entrepreneur. Anybody opening door, funding the pilot. Nobody wants to bet on somebody new, right? This is our way, bringing an ecosystem of partners of 20 odd outfits to make this happen. This is what we are trying to facilitate. So it's not just about 25 lakhs. It's about grant, it's about mentoring, it's about support, it's about an entire ecosystem of stakeholders in the city, including the government, that we are trying to work with to find solutions for the city.
It's super important as a company building solution in climate, sustainability, you need the right audience. So the event like this actually brought the right set of people to the room, and we were able to pitch, and now we have been able to see how we can engage with the stakeholders.